let's go to my farm together. I just finished dressing and I'm going to my farm. So I want to walk you guys through how I spent my day as a farmer in my farm. Stay tuned. So this is my pen house. This is where some of my chicken, my layers, this is where they are. Let me walk you through my farm. Guys, welcome to my farm. These are my chickens. You can see them. This is layers. So they have started producing eggs. So I have some ones that have not even started producing at all. So I will take you guys through there also. Then these are the eggs that they lay. These are some of the eggs. You can see. You can see. You can see this also. These are some of my layers eggs. You can see. So I think I came late. So they start picking their egg. They do start picking their egg as early as 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Because they do feed them 7 o'clock. So you can see everywhere now. Let me take you to my other pen. This is some layers that have not started laying. Let me say they are maybe 13 weeks now. 13 weeks layers. So I collected them from day old. And now they are 13 weeks gone. And they are still looking up to 24 weeks to 22 weeks. So for some too late 22, some too late 24. It depends on how they feed. So you can see them, they are still small, they're still little. So they do come out of the pen. You can see them in. I still have another one inside the cage. I have some turkey here. I have foreign turkeys. And I also have guinea fowl. This is foreign turkey. So you can see a guinea fowl. Hatched his egg. He started hatching on Sunday and he finished hatching on, I think, Wednesday. So you can see the children. Okay. So guys, today is Sunday. So we are still doing some cleaning against the new week, which is tomorrow. So that is everywhere still so rough. I have the big broilers here. So I think this broiler too is also 12 weeks. No, it's 13 weeks now. So guys, I'm picking eggs from my pen, from their pen. So this my first one. So you can see the way they are feeding. It's not yet afternoon food. They get their food in the morning around 7 o'clock. So the next feed that they are taking is 1 o'clock. So I'm sorry I'm not tall. So this is my daily life in my farm, second pen, which is this side. Actually, you know, it's not the same time that they do lay egg. They lay at different time. So someone will lay in the morning, someone in the night, someone in the afternoon. So in the morning, like this, when you wake up, you come and feed them, you see a lot of eggs that they have laid. I have different type of layers here and the time that they started laying eggs. So this one, they are the one that is just laid now. This set, they are the old layers that I have, and also this one. So this one, they just started laying, let me say 2 weeks ago now. That is when they started laying eggs. So guys, these are the old layers also. Yay! So I'm sorry, I smashed one egg. Me too. I don't know. So guys, like collection of the eggs. And that's what we do. And I also do records eggs that we see in a day. So I will know what is going on, how they are performing, what they are giving us, and the section that is having issue. So that's why we do records any eggs that we pick in a section. Like this, we have 5 eggs here. We are expecting to see 5 eggs here. So if we do not see 5 eggs, we are going to know. But even if we are not recording anything, we will not know the one that is giving us the egg. We will not know the one that is not producing. So guys, these are the eggs. Simple. So next, we have our over. Clever basic. You can see we measured before we do so. This is rice brown. I don't remember from the so you see, easy. That's here. No. This is Jesus.